Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best baking soda is probably one of the most versatile and affordable cleaning agents you can have in your home, capable of tackling everything from stubborn grease and grime on your stovetop to unpleasant odors in your refrigerator and even acting as a gentle abrasive for scrubbing sinks and tubs without scratching surfaces, making it an indispensable tool for a sparkling clean living space. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Introducing the Pink Stuff, a miracle cleaning paste designed to tackle tough stains and grime effortlessly. It's your ultimate multi-purpose cleaning solution for sparkling results on various surfaces. This versatile paste is perfect for use on kitchen and bathroom surfaces, tiles, glass, stainless steel, and more. It's your go-to cleaner for almost any household mess. Tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces, this cleaner removes stubborn stains without scratching or damaging. It leaves surfaces spotless and shiny. Using it is simple. Apply a small amount to a damp cloth, rub gently, and rinse away. It's ideal for everyday cleaning tasks. Enjoy a fresh, clean scent after every use. It leaves your home not only spotless but also smelling great with its delightful rhubarb fragrance. Remove stains, grease, or grime from just about anything, including stoves, floors, metal, ceramics, porcelain, marble, wood, silverware, jewelry, and more. This cleaning paste makes cleaning easier and fun. Experience the miracle for yourself. What we like. This cleaning paste is a miracle worker for tough stains and grime. It's incredibly versatile, handling kitchens, bathrooms, and even delicate items. If you're looking for a powerful yet gentle cleaner that leaves a fresh scent, this is the one for you. What people say. Extremely effective on tough dirt and scuffs. Easy to use with minimal scrubbing. Didn't damage the materials or colors. Number 4. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. Experience powerful cleaning like never before. Its oscillating head scrubs 60 times per second, tackling grime and restoring surfaces with ease. Cut your cleaning time in half. This tool scrubs up to 2 times faster than manual scrubbing, saving you effort and giving you back your day. Don't worry about splashes or wet conditions. Its robust water resistance ensures reliable performance in any cleaning scenario. Perfect for every corner of your home. It excels in tight spaces like faucets and grout, and tackles kitchen appliances and surfaces. From your kitchen sink to your patio grill, this versatile tool handles it all. It's also great for cleaning car parts and even golf clubs. Keep your footwear looking its best. It polishes and deep cleans sneakers, shoes, and boots, making them last longer and look like new. What we like. Experience intense cleaning power with this electric scrubber. Its oscillating head tackles grime 60 times per second, saving you time and effort. If you need to deep clean grout, tile, or tight spaces quickly and efficiently, this tool is a game changer. What people say. The different sized bristle tops made it easy for cleaning around tight spots. The smaller bristle head worked great in cleaning the grout. Works great in the kitchen and bathroom. Easy to find in the drawer because of the bright red color. Great tool to have in your cleaning caddy. It has a powerful battery-operated motor that can reach grime in tight spots, around faucets, hard-to-reach grout. The different heads are helpful depending on the area you're working on. Very lightweight. Number 3. Arm & Hammer Baking Soda, 1 pound, 12-pack. For over 170 years, it's been the versatile, effective, and affordable solution you can trust. Discover the power of this essential household staple. Unlock its full potential in your kitchen for baking, or use it to tackle tough cleaning jobs around the house. It's also perfect for keeping things fresh. Make your laundry even cleaner and fresher. Simply add a cup to your wash cycle with your regular detergent, even in machines. Experience its cleaning power without the harsh chemicals. It's gentle enough for use on a variety of surfaces, making it a safe choice for your home. From keeping your refrigerator fresh to countless other household needs, this is the one solution that does it all. Keep a box handy for all your tasks. What we like. This classic baking soda is a versatile and affordable cleaning staple. It's free of harsh chemicals, making it safe for many surfaces and uses. If you need a budget-friendly, multi-purpose solution for cleaning, deodorizing, and even baking, this pack is an excellent choice. What people say. I purchase a case of these every once in a while so that I can ensure fresh refrigerator scents, and I also use it in my laundry to make all my clothing smell good and to remove any potential odors or scents. When I'm vacuuming carpets, I also rely on baking soda. I use it like other products and sprinkle it onto the carpet and let it sit there for about an hour before vacuuming, and it helps to get ready for any pet odors or any scents that may be stuck in the carpet. Excellent and very useful for cat litter to reduce the smell. Number 2. Arm & Hammer Baking Soda 2.7 pounds bag. Unlock fluffier, more delicious recipes with our pure and natural baking soda. It's the secret ingredient for baking success, crafted for exceptional results every time. Experience the quality of baking soda made right here in the USA. We use locally sourced ingredients and renewable energy, ensuring a product you can trust. Our baking soda is free from harsh chemicals, gluten-free, and kosher. As America's #1 trusted brand, it's perfect for organic baking and so much more. Discover over 100 uses beyond the kitchen. It's your go-to solution for cleaning, health and beauty, deodorizing, and crafting around your home. We are committed to the planet and to you. Our baking soda is certified carbon neutral, reflecting our dedication to sustainable practices and trusted quality. What we like. Elevate your baking with this pure and natural baking soda. Made in the USA with a focus on quality, it's perfect for achieving fluffier recipes. If you're a passionate baker who values pure ingredients and a trusted brand, this is your go-to. What people say. It's a reliable brand, very affordable, and has a fresh, clean smell. I like that it's multi-purpose and can be used in so many ways, such as adding laundry detergent, using it as a room deodorizer, and also you can put it in the refrigerator. You can also make your own toothpaste. The resealable bag makes it easy to store. First and foremost, baking soda is a baking enthusiast's best friend. It's a reliable leavening agent that never fails to deliver light and fluffy baked goods. Whether it's cookies, cakes, or bread, the consistent results I achieve with baking soda make it an indispensable ingredient in my pantry. From scrubbing surfaces to deodorizing my refrigerator, baking soda effortlessly tackles tough stains and unpleasant odors. It's a non-toxic alternative to many commercial cleaners, making it a safer choice for my family and the environment. Number 1. Arm & Hammer Pure Baking Soda Shaker. Discover the versatile cleaning and deodorizing power of pure baking soda. It's a natural solution for a fresher home. Our shaker bottle makes it easy to dispense just the right amount. Perfect for all your household needs. From scrubbing sinks to neutralizing odors in the fridge, this is your go-to for a naturally clean environment. Experience its gentle abrasive action that cleans without harsh chemicals. It's safe for many surfaces. Get a pack of 6 shakers, ensuring you always have this essential on hand. Keep your home smelling great for longer. What we like. This baking soda shaker offers ultimate convenience for everyday use. Its pure and natural formula is great for cleaning, deodorizing, and more. If you appreciate an easy-to-dispense format for quick cleaning tasks or baking needs, this shaker is perfect for your kitchen. What people say. It's a great product for cleaning. This baking soda is very effective for cleaning purposes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.